By the way, if you'd really like to know, he went that way. If I were looking for a white rabbit, I'd ask the Mad Hatter. Or you could ask the March Hare in that direction. Which way you ought to go from here? That depends a good deal on where you want to get to. If you don't care where you're going, then it doesn't matter which way you go. You're just trying to get somewhere? Oh, you're sure to do that if you only walk long enough. You don't want to go among mad people? Oh, you can't help that. We're all mad here. I'm mad. You're mad. How do I know you're mad? You must be, or you wouldn't have come here. You may have noticed that I'm not all there myself. You've never met any queen? You haven't? Oh, but you must. She'll be mad about you. Simply mad. It looks like you ran afoul of something with wicked claws.